Thank you.
Thank you.
I will start with water first. Why you guys order for wine? Come on, something strong. Whiskey, brandy, man. What's wrong with you guys? Yes, now. Something strong. Okay, do you have Coverseer? Yes, yeah. One Coverseer.
I would like that one.
What do you want?
I like Coverseer.
I'm fine with this.
You fine?
All of a sudden,
listen.
I beg you, me, I want Coverseer.
You want Coverseer?
I want Coverseer.
Okay, give us 2 bottles of Coverseer.
2?
And my dear, I am here to spoil you guys.
hey,
Trust
money
me.
don't come.
2 bottles of Coverseer.
Please give me that tissue, please.
I mean, I'm food for my own. Me, I never eat this morning.
Okay.
Food.
What do you want? Order for anything you want, man.
Anything I want.
Anything you want.
Me too, I will eat food.
Okay.
Anything. You have a goosey soup.
Go ahead.
I bet a goosey soup with pounded yam.
What do you want?
Me, my own, I bitter leaf with pounded yam.
And
I beg.
give me 2 Edika Icon and pounded yam, please.
Hey, Anderson.
Money good though.
Money good.
You guys want to come and spoil us today.
That's the reason why I brought you guys out.
Okay, no problem.
Listen. Money is good. Money can actually rewrite your destiny.
Hey.
As you can see. Please, I have the money now. Let's spend it together.
No problem.
Yes.
Oh, they catch me.
Which one they catch? The guy saying get money now. But one thing where I never understand is we and you, we know say you never get any job where we feel point to say this is your job. How are you getting this money?
No, my fear is you sure say you go fit pay for.
Are you doubting me and are you trying to investigate me or what?
No,
I'm not doubting
we are not asking you. That, because we don't know where you get this money from. This one where you don't know how much you want to spend for us now, where you want to scatter.
All of a sudden, he said we should make our choice. Don't
This is nothing.
And
you, Buckingham Daddy, when I have nothing, you didn't ask me why was I poor. Why are you not asking me how did I make the money? Why?
Because we don't know how you take data. We know say you don't get job.
But the question when they ask this, he said he baffled me. He said we not ask him why he make poor.
Yes, now.
So now when money come, say why we come to investigate how money come.
No problem.
My dear.
No, but the only way, the only thing will make us because you know these days, me I don't want to go prison. I get family.
And the same thing.
When I no come go, you understand? I don't say you they do anything, but you understand. And I make us the ass.
Nobody will go to prison. And besides, my papa name, nobody say put your papa name. Yes. Forget about it.
I hear say police they go carry person when do something with his friends when follow chop money. I make me they fear.
This is UK. Police have to do their thing. So, hey, we are not here to discuss that.
Okay.
Let's marry. Let's enjoy ourselves, please.
You know, say we will be pensioner. And we know how we spend our own money. But this one where you gonna scatter floor for us. If we don't ask you where you get the money. When Kasala come boss, make you not come be say, now we they follow you, they chop the money. And we know encourage you say, make you go look for job. That is why we they ask.
And that's the reason why I brought you guys out. You can't be sitting at home all the time. You are both pensioners. I will soon join you guys soon. But for now, let's enjoy my money, please.
Hey,
please.
God will bless you.
Amen.
But this one, when you say you go soon join us soon, you never work. How you go do pension?
Now age when you age reach like our age. Maybe they understand.
All right now. I beg bring the conversation. Me I go drink.
I dey wait for open now.
Hey. Which opener? Let me. I get opener here.
No use your teeth.
Make I know.
That teeth wey no hold.
My teeth.
If that thing break.
No. The teeth they no dey feel it later.
Oh.
Never don't hide out.
How are you? Thank you.
No, it was fine. It was fine. It was fine. So this is my.
You see, it's good at times to thank God.
All the time.
When God does something good to you.
All the time.
Yes, because if God does something for you, you have to appreciate Him.
Yes.
You're very correct.
And that's
Yes.
it.
So.
Yes.
You want to say you don't know me?
Okay, you both know each other.
Tia.
Eh?
You must be one of our ministers in the church.
Oh, don't you know me? Crap, Anderson. You've been avoiding me. You're not picking my calls.
I don't know you.
What is going on here?
Yeah.
Wait, oh.
Why are you denying it? I gave you 5,000 pounds. Yeah.
5,000 pounds.
Of course. So this is what
5,000 pounds.
Yes.
To come and celebrate you.
Yeah.
I don't like this kind of pranks, please.
But listen to what you said. She said you took 5,000 pounds from her.
Listen.
Come on.
And you stop picking my calls.
Madam, I don't know you from anywhere.
What is going on here?
Are you sure? Look at his pictures. It's him now.
See. This is not you.
Which one is this?
Yeah.
Where did you get my pictures from?
What do you mean where? You sent me your pictures. Wait. It's okay. It's all right. I see him. Let me call his number. I'll call the number.
You are calling the number.
What is going on?
No, I don't like this kind of a prank, please.
Wait now.
Bring
Wait.
your phone out.
Something is going on.
Bring your phone out.
Your phone is ringing.
Your phone is ringing. Bring the phone.
Hey, just pick your phone. Pick your phone.
It's not my phone.
It's not your phone.
It's his phone. Bring his phone. It's his
That's
phone.
not my phone.
Wait. Sweetheart, this is your phone.
Is it?
No, it's not your husband. It's his phone. I said this is
That's
dial
not my phone.
Dial the number.
Dial the number.
Pick your phone. Pass me the phone.
Just pick your phone.
Oh.
I'm confused.
Why do you be confused?
Why is my phone ringing?
You don't know whose phone is that?
Pass me the phone now. Let me see.
Let me see.
I know my husband's phone.
Is this not your phone?
That's not my phone.
It's your phone, Anderson. This is my husband's phone. Tia, baby.
That is Tia, baby.
It can't be your husband now.
What's happening?
What
Wait, what account did you put that money into? That's the voice.
Eh?
What?
What?
That's the voice.
Who's that?
Which voice?
Yeah, his
I
voice.
have no idea.
Voice here, picture here.
No,
something is not right.
No, I'm confused.
Please don't join me crazy.
You just came in, you accused me of duping you, and now you're accusing our friend, and you guys are sitting there just looking at her.
No, because we are on the crossroad here.
Wait, let's get to the bottom of this. All this, this is saying. Let me see their phone number. Crazy. He has one undercover account number. I'm crazy. Let me look at that number. I'm not crazy. This is his picture. Show me the account. The account number. This is the account number. Hi, baby.
What account?
No, wait. I know your pin now. Wait, see. I know your pin.
I see this message. You.
Yeah, see all the messages.
My love for you is extremely.
You see? What time was that? What time? We've been dating for quite some time now. That message
Extreme.
Last month, 1 o'clock.
It's our
from
friend.
the 18th of last month.
You're the one that normally use that word extreme.
Are you sure? Yes.
And that one said
extreme.
Yes.
You are the only one that use extreme among us.
You are my one and only.
Exactly.
The love of my life.
See this one. Thank you. The money is in now.
Yes.
The phone is between both of you.
But it's not my phone, it's his phone.
Look, let's call a spade a spade.
This is Lloyd
You are a
Bank.
very wicked man. End up doing this. So all this Gucci that you went to buy.
Hey.
Because overnight, you brought me perfumes. Then you even bought me this Gucci dress to wear to this party. And I was asking where you got money from. So you're into cyber cafe that Anderson taught you how to. You're working for American company.
Mr. Johnson.
Okay.
Do you now understand that picture? You remember when we were challenging this guy, that the way he's spending these days.
Buckingham Daddy, please leave all that. Is this wicked? You are a very wicked man.
No.
Don't beg me. Don't beg me.
You guys, When will you stop gossiping, both of you? When will you stop gossiping?
This is not gossiping. The will that they spend money,
guys,
two of
I
you.
gotta
guys,
go. Wait.
People will not get work.
Guys, wait. I'm just going to explain this in a very
Explain, let us hear.
Oh yeah.
Anderson, I know you're a good man, but I learned all these things from you. You
Jesus.
understand? And I'm sure you are aware of it a little bit. And that is why I use your picture. Okay?
Wow.
Secondly, babe, I think it's your fault.
It's my fault.
Your wife.
And you duped my friend.
Don't forget all the naggings. And I told you, I warned you that you're depressing me. And this is the result.
Look at what you've been useless.
I'm telling you the truth now. I warned you, and you said I can do anything. In fact, she said I can do anything as long as I bring money.
We told you to rob Peter to pay Paul.
Wait. Let me get it right. Excuse me.
What are you saying?
Are you not even ashamed of what you're saying?
Well, it will get to a point that being ashamed doesn't exist anymore when you have a wife like this.
You see this stupid man.
Do you know that what you've just done? So you are a criminal.
No.
So even Anderson, so you say now 419.
Even though yes, I agree that I trained you, but
On what?
Listen.
Train him on what?
Listen. I'm a.
So you guys are scammers.
No. I'm into IT.
IT what?
Let me finish now. No. But I never taught you to be.
Will you keep quiet?
So
Will you keep quiet?
No. Seriously, you don't do.
Anderson, keep quiet. Keep your mouth shut.
That's not thieving. That's a skill.
Will you shut up your mouth?
It's thievery. Thief.
All this thing is a 419. You are scammers.
I'm going to call in the police.
I don't play local games.
You are a useless man.
You are playing locally.
You are a foolish man. You will come and meet me. I'm taking his phone because we delete all this messages.
Hey,
do you know how?
I personally will call police for you.
Thank
you very much. God bless.
Hey, my wife, I beg no vessel. Do you know how disgraceful this is? That you people are scamming women.
Who are the you people?
What do you mean? What?
Are you not the one that taught him?
He's saying you are the one that taught him that job.
I actually trained how to.
Keep quiet, Anderson. Stop speaking. You are emitting rubbish from your mouth. So you guys are scammers.
You know the way they are spending money.
Yes, and we are suspecting them and telling them that you guys that has no job and you are spending like this. Even we that we are pensioners, we know how to spend our money wisely.
No. Just that I didn't tell you guys.
No,
I sold one of my properties back home.
Which property? Will you keep quiet?
Buckingham Daddy, let me tell you this. When my wife came in, what did she do? She heard me. There was no nagging because I just bought her, a dress, bushy dress, and a shoe. But before then, what was happening? From the
scamming money.
Yes. But what was happening before then? Nagging from morning till night. But the moment I start, stretching out.
Even as that.
She said I can do anything.
But bro, you use my pictures, man. That's not the right thing to do.
Oh, well.
You see, guys, let me tell you one thing.
And you are not ashamed of yourself.
I don't have a job.
Imagine.
You are not ashamed of yourself that you are stealing from people.
Look.
You see, even though we have a woman that is pushing us that we must do something and do something to find money, it's we that we use our initiative. Not to spoil our reputation.
This guy.
You get shamed, right? By going into this kind of a criminal.
Buckingham Daddy, every day my wife is telling me about her friend. That she's loaded, she has money, she's this, she's that, and she's desperate for a man.
And that gives you that.
Wow, she's rubbing that on my face all the time.
But bro, you did all this thing without even informing me.
I thought you were aware of it because
Okay,
the code is 2222.
Let's
put my own. But you shouldn't have done.
Listen, guys. This is not good. Seriously. We should not be a scammer. As this lady just get angry and go now, you don't know what is going to come of it. Because her friend is already knows that it is you, her husband, that is scamming her friend. So there is no way you are going to escape this.
Seriously.
If it now turns to a case, a court case, what will you do?
No, you shouldn't. You should.
Who is serious? Is it? Are you not? Is it not you that talking?
You shouldn't scam somebody who is struggling.
Are you not a scammer yourself?
What do you mean? What
are you not a scammer?
What nonsense are you talking?
No, you should not.
So those that you are scamming, they are not people that are struggling. Or what are you saying?
No, that's not the point I'm trying to.
Which point are you making?
Hey, this is about me. It's about him. Don't.
Because you are
the genesis of this crime. You are the genesis of this crime. You people should you should remove your hand from committing crime. This is evil.
Seriously, yeah, that's what they said. This is
so
evil.
You guys are scammers.
You got to stop it.
Shut up your mouth. It is you that push him into it.
He says his wife is a nag.
If you doesn't taught him that kind of thing, he will find another genuine way to look for money.
But please, next time don't use my pictures, please.
Which you are saying that you make all your beers be like a Ilea chips.
I wouldn't have done that if you didn't teach me all this. Right.
So I'm to be blamed now.
See, this party is ended. It's end. Let everybody go home. Oh yeah, everybody go home.
I just started drinking now.
No, leave my house. Bring my cup.
Why is it?
Bring my leave my house.
Now, so what you've cost now.
This party has ended.
I will join you guys at the car park.
No.
Start drinking now.
Get up. Don't let them bring police come my house. Say now, here's come and they leave. Leave my house, dog.
All right. I will.
Bring the drink. Bring my drink. Don't let them bring police.
But why are you like this?
No. Just go. I don't want scammers in my house. Go.